If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. This lesson shows how to make a journal entry in Sage 50 Accounting to decrease the value of an other current asset account. Use the example from the last lesson of the prepaid rent other current asset account into which 5 months of prepaid rent was placed. As you later incur your monthly rent expense of $1,000 per month over the next 5 months, you will use up part of the prepaid rent expense and enter each change to the value of that account into the journal entry window. So, for each of the following 5 months, decrease the amount of the monthly rent from the prepaid rent other current asset account in the period it is actually incurred and attribute that amount to the rent expense account. To make a general journal entry in Sage 50 Accounting, select Tasks, General Journal Entry from the menu bar to open the General Journal Entry window. Enter the date of the entry into the Date field. Enter a reference number for the entry into the Reference field. Click into the first row under the GL Account column and select the Rent or Lease Expense account. Enter 1,000 into the adjacent Debit column within that row to show the increase to the rent expense account. Then click into the GL Account column in the next blank row and select the Prepaid Rent Other Current Asset account. Sage 50 should then automatically attribute 1,000 to the credit column, decreasing its value. If not, click into the credit column and enter 1,000. When finished making the entry, click the Save button to save it. Alternatively, if desired, you could create a monthly recurring journal entry as a memorized transaction for the current month and the next 4 months. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.